fam, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Microsoft Edge to your MacBook. I have the latest version downloaded, Mac OS, but the process should be virtually similar regardless of the version you have.
Step 1. Open Safari. Step 2. Go to www.microsoft.com/en-us/edge. Step 3. Once you're there, click Download for Mac OS. Step 4. Read and accept the terms and conditions, then press Accept and Download. Step 5. The file will go into your Downloads folder. Once it is finished, you will want to double-click on the file. A couple more boxes will pop up, and once everything loads up, you will be good to use your Microsoft Edge browser.